Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a LibreOffice Calc tutorial for beginners. Now if you need a software that doesn't need the internet or doesn't need you to spend some money, here is a very good software that you can use for a spreadsheet. So this is LibreOffice Calc. This is a free and online tool that you can use for your spreadsheet needs. Now I'm going to show you the basic difference between those two that I mentioned. Now, with regards to that of interface, you know that Excel usually has those ribbon type here, whereas LibreOffice Calc has these functions in icons. So you can basically try to hover over them in order for you to know which functions they serve. So yeah, that's one of the main difference. However, there is actually a way for us to be able to see the same kind or almost the same kind as that of Excel, whereas it is in ribbons. So yeah, that there is a tutorial that I have made here for that. I want you to go ahead and check it out. Now, with regards to that formula, actually the formula here that we are using or that we can use is mostly similar to that of Excel or in Google Sheets. You can see here, I've used this formula right here. You can actually go ahead and get the average as well, sum and do all or most of the formula, except for a few things. We have VLOOKUP, which is available here. However, if you are going to use XLOOKUP or any other functions that are new to Excel and that of Google Sheets, usually you're not going to be able to see them here. So what's going to happen is that you are going to look for alternative ways in order for you to get the same functions or the same outcome with the different functions. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Now, if say for example, you want to save your file already, I want you to head over to File here and Save. And when you do so, what is going to happen is that or save as rather. And when you do so, what's going to happen is that you are going to see the file type here. It's ODF, but you can go ahead and click that one and you should be able to see here different file types. For example, we have here Excel 2007. So if you're going to open this in Microsoft Excel, what's going to happen is it's going to convert it to the latest version. Now, if you want to just save it here in, let's say, for example, LibreOffice Calc, just give it an ODF. However, if you want to save this for Excel, go ahead and explore it or export it to the Excel format. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to save this as PDF? You can head over here to export as PDF, or you can also go ahead and click the send button here in order for you to email this into different formats. So you can email this document as is, as ODF file. You can go ahead and choose the other formats available here as well. Now you can also go ahead and click the print option right here and then choose your particular printer in order for you to print this. Say for example, there is a specific use that you're going to be using this, say an invoice, say profit and loss or whatever document it is. Now, one of the downside here is because it's free, it doesn't have the option to share this and collaborate with this online. So say for example, there is a need for you to collaborate with another person who is working remotely or who's working far away. What you can do is you are going to have to save this as Excel file just like so, and then send this to that particular person, have that particular person open this and then make his edit, and then for you to receive this again and make your edit. So yeah, that's one of the downside that we have with this, but who knows, we might be able to get that in the near future. Now again, majority of the functions from Excel and Google Sheets are already here except for the newer ones. For example, you can insert chart, image, and so many other things that you can do in here. So LibreOffice is a very good software. It has its own strengths and weaknesses, but hopefully in the future, those weaknesses will also be improved. So yeah, again, that's a very short tutorial for you for LibreOffice Calc.